Alright, good morning. Welcome to another episode with me, TJ. We are currently at Springs 4x4 Park. For now, I'm here with Tyler, so I thought just stop in here and have a little look around. I actually saw this place on the way to Sundown National Park. Tyler's staying here for a couple more nights, but I'm heading back today. I just thought we'd do a little bit of an episode here. So, stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you a few facts about this place. Maybe it might motivate you to come out and check it out. But yeah, sit back, enjoy. Here's a little video of us having a little adventure yesterday, having a look around. I didn't go too wild in the nav, obviously, but yeah, Tyler's getting pretty wild.
So keen. It's just like tracks everywhere. Checking out all the tracks I can launch the patrol up.
Yeah, you're like a little kid.
Yeah, just
driving around, looking left and right.
Yeah, just heads like spinning everywhere out the window.
It does have the perfect car for this sort of environment.
Because I'll be able to get out a heap of this gear and lighten it up a bit too.
Well, that's the whole idea of this place, I guess. Keep using the canopy excuse, I think.
Yeah. Like, oh, there's a good hair. Oh, I got my canopy on. Yeah. Don't know about that one. Already traumatized you.
I am a little traumatized. Alrighty, just head down again. Let's just do a little damage report. Let's just see what Tyler's responsible for here. And I got my rim too, but that's what they're designed for, I guess. Hit a rock with these. Do you feel responsible in any way?
Yeah, nah, not really. It's the usual on one of my trips.
Look at this paintwork, mate. That's all your fault.
That's the gotta pay to play. You have to buy yourself a GU, mate.
I do. Oh.
And then be able to keep up with me. First I got a nav, then he buys a nav. No. Now I bought a GU. Next trip you'll turn up with a GU.
Oh, it's a coincidence, I guess. Alrighty, time to head off. Just had some lunch. Gonna head off and see what we can find out here at Spring 4x4 Park. Alright, basically at the start, so we figured we'd start down the start and work our way to the back of the property. Fun little hill climb to warm up on. Show me the best way. This way. You reckon this way? Yeah. Just the like clean road that's got no bumps?
Yeah, it seems like a better way.
Yeah, I agree. Working our way down the tracks. This is a slidey muddy hill. Looks like Tails wants to give it a crack. Oh, run up. Did you get the shot, Kai? Lucky you went in front of the hoon. I think we're going to try this little creek run. From the looks of it, it runs around the base of this mountain. We're just on this little run called the Kangaroo. It's very overgrown, muddy and gross, so I'm not going to film it outside the car. Ooh, but yeah, pretty much driving up a little like water coming down it. Pretty cool. But yeah, scratches in the car.
Back on a rock, so I can't go back to realign.
Ah.
Yeah, you're still like that far from it, but just go slow. Missed it by about that much.
Oh, one up on the GU.
Mate, they got one back on me.
Yeah.
So everything's going wrong for me today.
Alright, this is the start of a little creek run, I think. It's not too hard or anything, just like a little track to run.
I think I just did a tyre about out before it goes flat.
Yeah, rock went into the side of it.
Oh, it's no Maxis Razor, mate.
Bloody hell.
Oh no. Oh, I hate it's going to say now.
I don't know. Those sharp rocks are pretty sharp in there. And I just went bang and I heard it.
Bit of a slash, so I don't know, it might not work because it's like a big, it's really like 50mm gash.
I'm just going to try and put a couple in, and it might stop it leaking enough to just drive on it like the Savo, and then I'll have to change it before we leave here because you can't actually drive like that on the road. I have to put the spare on. That's the only problem, we're going to need a heap of them.
Alright, welcome back to another episode, Tyler.
Just pretend this last hour didn't happen.
Last hour didn't really work out in any way, so we're just going to start the video again.
Dead light. Oh, doing gas, doing tires. Look at this. Oh, it's got it all happening.
Alright, it's been like 40-50 seconds. We just decided to change the tyre over. Maybe a minute. We'll round up to a minute, we just change the tyre over. Head back out. Plugs weren't really holding, the gash was too big. Slippery as heck. Your tyre thing, but did you get ragged? Did you get thrown?
Nah, not too bad.
You'll come down next in the nav?
Yeah, you can keep going, I'll follow.
Yeah, okay, I'll get down here and you'll catch up. Yeah. Kind of hard to describe, but yeah, obviously too steep to brake. It just slid. Made it out alive.
Yeah, I survived.
And back on the main road.
Yeah.
Made up here for the end of the day. Probably going to head back now. It's starting to get late, so head to camp. But yeah, pretty fun. Took the spare tyre off just to help with that weight in the rear and help straight away, hey. Drives so much better.
KMC's changed colour.
The wheels have changed colour.
Oh yeah, they're not silver anymore.
Springs 4x4 Park, $50 a night per vehicle. Facilities, mode, little campsites, fire pits, bins, the essentials. So you can kind of just set up camp and then head out on the tracks each day. It's on the New England Highway, not far from Stanthorpe. So I don't know, at a guess about 3 hours from Brisbane. So fair way for me, but if you're in Brisbane, it's doable for a weekend, I guess. The guys that run the place did say this weekend they've got like 70 cars coming in, so it does get popular out here. I'm going to actually head off today myself, but Tyler's here for a few more days, so make sure you go check out his channel in a couple of weeks' time. We'll have this episode out, no doubt, and yeah, he's definitely tackling some of the hardest stuff in the patrol now. It is very capable twin lock patrol, the dream. So make sure you check out his when it comes out. I'll link his channel down below. Let me know what you think down below, if this is the sort of place you'd like to not waste your weekend. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next episode.